Did you know that ancient Yoruba textile patterns can solve modern acoustic problems? When a tech startup's new headquarters suffered from terrible sound quality, our designer knew exactly where to find the answer. Deep in Lagos's bustling Oshodi market lives Mama Folak, a 72-year-old master weaver whose family has perfected indigo resist dyeing for 6 generations. What makes her textiles special isn't just their beauty. It's the mathematical precision hidden in traditional patterns that naturally dampen sound. Watch as Mama Folak demonstrates the intricate tie and dye process using locally grown indigo plants and cassava paste resist techniques passed down through generations. But commissioning these sacred patterns for commercial use requires following strict cultural protocols and showing proper respect to ancestral wisdom. The transformation is remarkable. When Mama Folak's hand-woven textiles are installed in that sterile conference room, sound clarity improves by 40%. This is how we bridge ancient African knowledge with modern design challenges, creating spaces that honor our heritage while solving today's problems. Traditional wisdom always finds a way.